Okay, here we go. So some inspirations for my channel. Sorry, I'm using a Leatherman. Try to open this is kind of dangerous, but don't do as I do. Linus Tech Tips, Marquez Brownez. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. Who else? I forget the guy with his wife that have an underground bunker, and she's in a wheelchair. I don't want that to be a defining moment of her, but he's a big inspiration for me. Sorry about the angle, guys. I'm doing this on an iPad, and I currently do not own a chair, not a single chair in this house. And it's not because I can't buy one, it's because, well, it's being shipped here from Germany. I was stationed there at Ramstein, Germany, and all that stuff is still in my goods, my household goods, and is currently on its way here. I guess I just want to show how difficult or how easy it is to get in these things. I'm not the brightest by any means, so I just kind of show what's going on or how it might take a while to set up or not to take up a while. Okay. I'm gonna try to see how to fit this thing in here. Okay. I'm probably just being a dummy. Oh. Okay, that seems to have done the trick. You know how us guys are, can't read the instructions. I like to think I'm different sometimes, and sometimes I do check the instructions. I am a plumber for the Air Force. The official term is Water and Fuel Systems Maintenance Journeyman. I'm a craftsman now. Let's see. Scan and finish setting up your GoPro while using the Quick app. Okay. I want to say that I still have the Quick app from the past. So let's see. It does seem that I still have the app. Okay. It's asking me to sign in, so doing that. I'm gonna check out stuff later. And it asks for his premium subscription. And that's about it. Let's see. It's asking for cloud storage, studio, and GoPro. So it was a Hero 5 that I used to have. Enable Bluetooth. Okay, has a camera. Connecting, pairing. Okay, well, sounds like it's doing something. Okay, connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now, in the next few videos, I don't know how well this video will do. Probably won't get seen by anybody, but at least in the future, I'm gonna try to get one of those microphones. I'm very interested in getting one of those. Just so that way you guys can hear me better. And just for the life stories. Yeah. Okay, seems like I'm running into some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi. Your phone or tablet will ask permission to go access your GoPro. Okay, we'll try to rescan, see what happens. Connecting, paired. I canceled the Wi-Fi just to see what's going on here. Okay, legal disclaimers. And change the name, GoPro Cast. So at work, I do go by Cass. I am an E6 in the Air Force. That makes me a technical sergeant. But because of my last name, Castaneda Magana, it's very hard to pronounce it for a lot of folks, so I just go by a certain Cass. My friends call me Casper, and just about everybody else. And I'll explain that in a future story or a future video of where that came to be. And lastly, those that are really close to me know me as Christian as well. So I'll go by either Christian or Casper or Cass. Okay, let me pause for now.